Hello everyone, welcome to Centerspace Maintenance in a Minute. Today we're going to show you how to troubleshoot when your bottom outlet doesn't work in the living room. This quick tutorial will help you. First step you want to do is to check your outlet. Make sure the lamp or whatever device it is that you're trying to use is plugged in. In this circuit in the living room, the switch will run the bottom of that outlet. So we're going to try to turn the lamp on. And that doesn't work, of course. To check to see if the bulb is burnt out, a person can try the top of the outlet. The lamp works. So the next step is to check the switch on the wall. That's how you would troubleshoot your outlet. If that procedure didn't turn your lamp on, check your breaker located close to your utility room or inside. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you as a resident and we hope you found it helpful. If this doesn't fix your problem, please call us. We're happy to help.